Hello everyone, welcome back. This is module number 2 and we'll begin the chapter The Birth written by A.J. Cronin. So the major characters in the story are Dr. Andrew Manson, Joe Morgan and Susan Morgan. Dr. Andrew is a young medical graduate working in a small mining town, and Joe Morgan is the husband of Susan Morgan, and Susan is expecting a child very soon. So we'll begin the chapter. As we said, Dr. Andrew had recently graduated from medical college. He was practicing as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page in a small Welsh mining town named Blenheim. He was having a disappointing day since he had an issue with his girlfriend Christine. So one night, as he was returning home, he found Joe Morgan waiting for him outside the doctor's home. He had been there for more than an hour, so he looked relaxed to see the doctor. He informed the doctor that he was needed at their home as his wife was expecting to deliver a baby after almost 20 years of marriage. Dr. Andrew asked him to wait for a few minutes. He went inside, got his medical bag, and set out for Joe Morgan's house. So, Joe Morgan stopped outside the house and requested Dr. Andrew to go inside alone because Joe was really anxious and he was really tensed, so he waited outside the house. So the doctor went inside through a narrow staircase. The doctor reached a small, clean but furnished room. So he found two women beside the patient. One of them were Susan Morgan's mother. She was a tall, grey-haired woman of nearly 70 years, and the other woman was a stout and elderly lady who was the midwife. So Susan's mother offered him a cup of tea. So Andrew sensed that she did not want him to leave as there would be some waiting period. Dr. Andrew was tired, but he decided that he would stay there and he would not leave very soon. So Andrew assured that he won't run away. So an hour later, Andrew went to check the patient and he came down after noting down the important things. So the restless footsteps of Joe Morgan could be heard as he paced the street outside. Dr. Andrew was so deep in his thoughts that the voice of the old lady, who is the mother of Susan Morgan, that it was surprising to him actually. So he could hear each and everything that was happening there. So she came and asked him something. The old lady informed him that her daughter did not want him to give her chloroform or anesthesia if it would harm the baby. So the mother and the grandmother were so particular to save the baby somehow because they are going to deliver a baby after 20 years. So Dr. Andrew replied that it would do no harm. So just then he heard the midwife's voice. It was almost 3:30 and Dr. Andrew perceived that it was time for him to start working on the delivery. And finally, after a harsh struggle for almost an hour, the child was born. And it was a perfectly formed boy, but unfortunately, it was not breathing. So a shiver of horror passed over Dr. Andrew. And finally, even after all these struggles, the child was born lifeless. And we'll continue in the next module. Thank you all.